Jai Hind students, myself Ranjita Chaudhary, and today I will explain the topic carbon and its compound. In this chapter, I will explain the topic tetravalency of carbon, homologous series, versatile nature, allotropic form, and the other topic which are belonging to the CBSE 10th class. Okay, now the first topic is carbon. Carbon is an atom. Carbon is an element or atom which having the electronic configuration 2,4. The electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4. That means it contains the 4 electron in its outer cell, and it required other 4 electron to complete its octet. Okay, in previous chapter you have studied the chemical bond, that the chemical bonds means the bond form. The attractive forces which bind the atom together are known as chemical bond. There are 3 types of chemical bond. First is ionic bond. You have studied in chapter 3rd. In this chapter we will study the covalent bond. Okay, now the covalent bond, the bond formed by the sharing of electrons. Suppose hydrogen is given here with the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure means when any element or atom, when atom is represent with its valence electron, it known as electron dot structure or Lewis dot structure. To complete its octet, it requires the combination of element with other atom, and this type of bond formation which give the stability to the compound is known as covalent bond. Means covalent bond is the bond formed by the mutual sharing. It is the mutual sharing of electron. The bond formed by the mutual sharing of electron, like Cl having 7,2,8,7, and it has 7 valence electron in its outer shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and it required only 1 electron to complete its octet. That's why it show the 1 chemical bond with bond formation with another Cl atom. According to this, now see, formation of molecule is the covalent compound topic. Formation of hydrogen is here like this. You may see here the hydrogen, the bond form in this and this hydrogen, it is binded by 1 by 1, means hydrogen and hydrogen are bonded with 1 covalent bond. Next is the example of formation of chlorine. Chlorine is also formed by the single bond. According to this, there are 3 types of bond: single bond, double bond, and triple bond. In hydrogen, there is 1 electron sharing. If the 1 electron sharing is take place, then the atom forms single bond. If there are 2 electron sharing are take place, it forms 2 double bond. If 3 electron sharing is take place, it forms triple bond like this. It is clear? Means there are 3 types of covalent bond: single bond, double bond, and triple bond. Carbon and its compound. Covalent compound, what are the properties of covalent compound? There is a question in our mind that out of ionic bond like NaCl and HH, which bond is more stronger? See, in Na positive, Cl negative, it is bind up with the opposite charge attraction. These are the electrostatic force, while it is just mutual sharing. In hydrogen, just mutual sharing is showing here. So the electrostatic force bond of attraction is more stronger in comparison of covalent bond. Means आयनिक bond ज़्यादा strong होता है covalent bond से. ये आपके mind में हमेशा set होना चाहिए. Clear? Now the next topic is that the ionic bond is always present. Ionic bond is always present in the solid form. Suppose NaCl is always present in the solid form, while the covalent bond compound are present in the liquid or in the gaseous state. Why? Because they have the more electrostatic force to bind each other, and they form the 3D structure like this. Okay, see, when atoms are compact with their definite structure, they form the 3D structure like this. They form the 3D structure like this. And this structure is known as lattice. This structure is known as lattice. And these are the lattice point, but because a cube structure is formed here. ओके, एक क्यूब फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पर हो गई है, तो ये बना रहे हैं आपकी 3D स्ट्रक्चर. क्लियर है आपको? मीन्स नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इन केस ऑफ गैसियस स्टेट द पार्टिकल्स आर अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर एंड दे डू नॉट फॉर्म द 3D स्ट्रक्चर, सो दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द liquid or gaseous state. Like hydrogen is present in the gaseous state, and H2O also contain covalent bond and it is present in the liquid state. Clear? Now the versatile nature of carbon. Versatile nature of carbon means it show the different properties with other atoms. See, there is a word catenation. Catenation means carbon having the property of self combination. Self combination property is known as catenation property. इसको अपने 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन कंप्लीट करने हैं, 4 बॉन्ड कंप्लीट करने हैं, means that can form this type of structure. And the best example of this type of catenation property is Buckminster-Fullerene. Buckminster-Fullerene, it has carbon 60 and 60 carbon are arranged like this. 60 with the network. सिर्फ 4 वैलेंसी इसको पूरी करनी है. 3D स्ट्रक्चर में इस तरह की स्ट्रक्चर आ रही है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज versatile nature. Carbon can form carbon single bond carbon, carbon double bond carbon and carbon triple bond carbon. Carbon single bond carbon are known as alkane. Carbon double bond carbon are known as alkene, while carbon triple bond are known as alkynes. It having all the 3 bond, it having the self combination properties. These are the properties which differentiate the carbon with other atom. Okay, now there is a topic here, homologous series. Homologous series means when we align alkane as CH4, first member of the series, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. When we observe these molecule, these are different according to CH2 structure. एक कार्बन और 2 हाइड्रोजन का डिफरेंस हर किसी कंपाउंड के अंदर है. सी द कंडीशन C1, C2, 3, 4. These are the combination 4, 6, 8, 10. Means CH2 का difference होता है. And as we know, carbon having the atomic mass 12 mu, hydrogen having the atomic mass 1 mu. So in CH2 series, CH2 group, it has 12 plus 2 into 1 means 14 unit का different होता है किसी भी होमोलॉगस सीरीज के कंपाउंड्स में. ओके, आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द एलोट्रॉपिक फॉर्म, allotropes of carbon. First of all, we came to know this is the single word allotrope. Allotrope means When the elements are present in more than one structure, they show the allotropic form of each other, like carbon. Carbon contain coal, coke, graphite, diamond, Buckminster fullerene. It is present in the more than one form. That's why these forms are known as allotropic form, and the property and phenomena of carbon is known as allotropy. The word I am saying, allotropy. Okay, now there is a question here. What is the basic difference between the structure of diamond and graphite? See the condition. You will see here that diamond having 4 carbon in the compact state, there is no free electron in it, while the graphite having hexagonal structure with slide form and having 1 free electron on it. That is the reason कि ग्रेफाइट की जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टी डिफर होती है डायमंड से, ड्यू टू द फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑन द ग्रेफाइट and it is absent on the diamond structure. The topic has been completed. In next video I will explain the chapter 4 classification of elements. Okay student, have a nice day.